Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter Indefinite Integration from the book R.D. Sharma for class 12. This is volume 1. See the exercise number 19.4. Exercise number 19.4. Few questions are there. Question number 1. X square plus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 whole dx. Means normally you have to divide. And the second part question given x cube by x minus 2 dx. Let me solve first number 2. Just see how to solve. See the question number 2 what is given here. Integration x cube by x minus 2 dx. Just you have to apply here common sense here. Means x cube minus 8 plus 8 by x minus 2. I am telling why I am writing like this. X cube minus 8 means you have to apply here a cube minus b cube. X cube 2 ka whole cube. That means a cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b whole into a square plus ab plus ab plus b square, that is 2 ka whole square 4. Divided by x minus 2, you have to separate the fraction, plus 8 by x minus 2. First you have to write x cube minus 8 means x minus 2 whole x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 plus 8 by x minus 2. Now just to see, this x minus 2 cancel out. Now separate the fraction and integrating individually. X square plus 2x plus 4 whole dx plus 8 integration dx by x minus 2. Now see, the integration of x square will be x cube by 3. 2x means 2 into x square by 2. 4 dx means 4x plus 8 log x minus 2 plus c. The final answer is coming x cube by 3, this 2 cancel, means x square plus 4x plus 8 log x minus 2 plus c. In this way question number 2 completed. Okay, let us see the next number. Next question number 3. X square plus x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 2. This is the question. Means you have to divide x square plus x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 2. How much you have to multiply here? Means you have to multiply x by 3. Then this will be x square plus 2x by 3. Then subtract, this will be cancelled out. X minus 2x by 3, this will be x by 3 plus 5. Now how much I have to write here? Write here 9x. No, x by 9. X by 9 if you will multiply, 1 by 9. If you multiply 1 by 9, this will be 3x into 1 by 9, this will be x by 3 plus 1 by 9 into 2, 2 by 9. Now subtract. That means 5 minus 2 by 9. 5 minus 2 by 9, this will be 9 5 45. 45 minus 2, 43 by 9 is the remainder. Okay. Therefore, the given fraction will be converted to x by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus remainder, that is 43 by 9 divided by the divisor 3x plus 2. This is the format. Now x by 3 integration will be 1 by 3, x integration will be x square by 2 plus 1 by 9 dx means x by 9, 43 by 9, coefficient divided by 1 by 3 log of 3x plus 2 plus c. The final answer will be x square by 6 means 1 by 6 x square, 1 by x by 9, and this is 43 by 27 log of 3x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer of number 3. Let us go next number. See the question number 4. What is given? Integration 2x plus 3 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole square. How to solve? Just see. Integration of 2x plus 3, just to break the denominator, x minus 1 whole square formula is what? X square minus 2x plus 1. So what is the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 1? That will be 2x minus 2. That means you have to write here, you have to adjust here like this. 2x minus 2 you have to write, then plus 5, then this will be adjusted. X square minus 2x plus 1 dx. After that, this will be 2x minus 2 dx by x square minus 2x plus 1. The second part will be plus 5 taken outside dx by, and this is x minus 1 whole square, right? Whenever the derivative or denominator present in the numerator, the answer will be log of x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1 mod plus 5. So what is the integration of this one? This will be x minus whole to the power minus 2 plus 1, that means minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. The result will be, this is nothing but x minus 1 whole square, then 2 will be outside 2 log x minus 1 minus 5 by x minus 1 minus 5 by x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer of number 4. Let us go next number. See the question number 5. Question number 5, question given x square plus 3x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. First of all, you have to break. X square plus 3x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square is how much? X square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Whenever the power of x is equal in both numerator and denominator, then you have to divide. If you divide, the quotient will be 1, no doubt, 1. The remainder will be, if you divide this divided this, the remainder will be 3x minus 2x will be x and minus 2 remainder by divisor, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 whole dx. Again you have to adjust. This will be, quotient will be 1 and remainder will be x minus 2. Normal divide, after normal divide. The 1 dx integration, 1 dx, again this will be x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. So 1 dx integration is how much? X, and you apply here common sense slight bit. This will be x plus 1 and minus 3 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Then this will be nothing but x plus 1 by x plus 1, that will dx by x plus 1. This is minus 3 dx by x plus 1 whole square. Now answer will be x, this is log of x plus 1, and this is minus 3. The integration will be x plus 1 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. The final answer will be, I am writing here, x plus log of x plus 1, and this will be plus 3 by x plus 1 and plus c. This is the answer of number 5. And the last number I will do today, let us say number last 6 number. Question number 6. Integration of 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx. Just write here 2x minus 1, just break x minus 1 whole square. It will be how much? X square minus 2x plus 1. Now, the derivative of x square minus 2x will be x square minus 2, means 2x minus 2. You write here 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 1, and this will be plus 1. Then this will be adjusted. Now you have to adjust here. Now 2x minus 2 dx by x square minus 2x plus 1, and the second part is 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx. Now this will be log of x square minus 2x plus 1, and this will be plus x minus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. The final it will be, this is x minus 2 whole into log of x minus 1 and minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. Initial question number 6 also completed. The last question I am doing, the first number 1. The number 1 question, I am writing the question here just to see. Question number 1, it is given integration of x square plus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 dx. Just a normal divide. If you divide here x square plus 5x plus 2, you have to see how much coming. This will be x square plus 2x cancel 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. That means you write here 3. Then this will be 3x plus 6 minus 4 is the remainder. Then how will write here? If you divide here, that means this will be quotient is equal to x plus 3 plus remainder is minus 4 by divisor, that is x plus 2 dx. The final answer will be the integration x means x square by 2, 3 means 3x, this will be minus 4 log of x plus 2. In this exercise totally completed doing first number in the last. Thank you for today's class. Next day we'll do more sums.